Good morning, students. This is class 10th CBSE board maths video. Students, yesterday we studied exercise 2.2 question number 1 first. Today we will solve other question of exercise 2.2. Second question, 4s square minus 4s plus 1. 4s square minus 4s plus 1, 4s square minus 2s plus 1, making group of 2, 2s common, 2s minus 1 common, 2s minus 1 common. Both factors are same, so 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. Then equal to transposing minus 1 to the right side, we get plus 1. Now transpose 2 to right side, 1 by 2. Both zeros are 1 by 2. And alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and beta is equal to also 1 by 2. Now, is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus b. Here b is equal to minus 4, so minus 4 by a is equal to 4. So add it, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Multiply minus plus 4 by 4. So verified. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Product of a constant upon coefficient of x square. Alpha into beta 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to c by a. C is equal to 1 and a is equal to 4. So 1 by 4. Multiply it. 1, 2 to the 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 equal 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. First arrange it into standard form. 6x square minus 7x of polynomial quadratic. Standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. First find product of first and last term, first and third term. This will be 6 3 ja 18 minus 18x square. Find two factors whose sum is minus 7. 6 3 ja 18, 9 2 ja 18, 9x and 2x. 9 2 ja 18. Product is negative, so 1 will be negative. Middle term minus 9 and this plus 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 is equal to this 3 common, 3x common, 2 x minus 3 3 is 9, 3 plus 1 common, 2x minus 3, 3x plus 1, 2x minus 3. So there are two factors, and to find zeros, value of polynomial will be 0 if this is 0 and this is 0. So if 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, then 3x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 by 3. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 3 by 2. So two zeros are minus 1 by 3 and beta is equal to. Okay. Now we have to verify sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So alpha plus beta minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2 is equal to coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 7 and coefficient of x square is 6. Minus 7 by 6. LCM 6. 3 2 is 6, 2 1 is 2, minus 2 and is equal to minus multiply minus plus 7 by 6. This 7 by 6 is equal to 7 by 6. Verified. Product of zeros. Product of zeros is equal to constant term on coefficient of x outer minus 1 by 3 multiply 3 by 2. Constant term is minus 3 and coefficient of x square is 6. 3 3 cancel out. What left? Minus 1 by 2, and in right side 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, minus 1 by 2. Verified. Product of zeros is this. T square minus 15 can be written as t square minus square root 15 whole square by a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We can write it t plus square root 15 into t minus square root 15. So there are two zeros. If plus square root 15 is equal to 0, then t is equal to minus square root 15. If t minus square root 15 is equal to 0, then t is equal to square root plus square root 15 plus is not necessary, so square root 15. Two zeros are minus square root 15 and plus square root 15. Little between uh, zeros and coefficient of polynomial. Sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x on coefficient of x square. Sum of zeros is square root 15 minus square root 15 plus square root 15 minus t square minus 15 can be written in standard form t square plus 0 multiply t minus 15. So this is coefficient of x, it means 0, and coefficient of x square 1, so 0 by 1 minus multiply minus 15 plus root 15 is equal to 0, and this also 0. Verify. Product of zeros is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. Constant term is 15 minus 15 by 1, and product of zeros 15 is equal to, and minus 15 upon 1, denominator is 1, so this 1 is not necessary to write, so this is square minus 15 equal. So verified. Next there we go. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. So this is sum of zeros and this is product of zeros. So to solve this question there are two methods. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon 4 and alpha into beta is equal to minus 1. First method, polynomial is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Here x square minus alpha plus beta 1 by 4 x plus alpha into beta minus 1 x square minus 4x minus 1. This is the polynomial, or simplify it. So 4x square minus x minus 4 whole by 4. Okay, and this can be written 4x square minus x minus 4. So this is the polynomial. Okay, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Here alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon 4 is equal to minus b by a, and equation first, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Alpha into beta is minus 1, so minus 1 is equal to c by a. In first equation denominator is 4 and second denominator is 1, so convert both having equal denominator. To make equal denominator, multiply second by 4 in numerator and denominator. So this can be written minus 1 minus 4 by 4 is equal to c by a. On comparing we get a in both and denominator is 4. It means a is equal to 4, and b is equal to b minus b is equal to 1. It means b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 4. Okay, so the polynomial is equal to ax square plus dx plus c. A is equal to 4, so 4x square plus b is equal to minus 1 x plus c is equal to minus 4. So 4x square minus x minus 4. So this is the required polynomial. So there are two methods. Which method you find easy, solve by that method. Students, you have to solve exercise 2.2 all questions. These are the questions. If you do not have book, write questions from this and solve.